cat. Cat's Meow. And I am going to have to get one of these specifically for her. Maybe this one is specifically hers. And I get one for the other two cats because she's breaking it. She tore a hole. She grabs it with her teeth and pulls the thing out. She tore a hole right here. With her teeth, with her nails, I don't know. All I know, like that, is that she is breaking this thing, and I haven't even had it for a week. Look at her, she's a nut. Martini, that is not how you play with this toy. Oh my god. What am I going to do with her? She's breaking it. And she pulled it out. You fool. And now I have to stop it. Sorry. Say goodbye.